Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. What am I working on today on the workbench? It's kind of funny. My buddy over on another channel was telling me, "You're always starting another project." Yeah, I've got a lot of planes to fly and I got a lot of planes to work on. So there's always something being worked on the workbench. Today, right now, I'm taking the covering off my EAA Bipe. I don't like the color. It's got this really, I don't like, Cub Yellow belongs on Cub Yellow airplanes. Cub Yellow belongs on Piper Cub airplanes or on PT-19s, and that's about it. Cub Yellow does not belong on a biplane, and specifically a biplane that is a home build. So this is the EAA Bipe. I got this from a friend of mine who got this from another friend who got this from the original builder. This plane needs a lot of work. It needs a new covering. So this is the plan. The plan is to cover it all in white and then to accent it with maybe blue or red. I don't know yet. So right now, also got some plans here. See the way that the servos are set up? If one of those servos goes bad, I have no way of axing it once I cover this over. I don't like that. So I'm going to be taking those servos and turning them upside down so I can access them from the bottom. If you look at the bottom here, there's two access ports. That's where I'll be putting hatches with vents on them. So we got to turn these servos upside down and rerun the push rods to be able to access them in case something were to happen where I need to access the servos themselves. That's where the battery goes, and I do believe that this is where two other batteries go also. I'm under the impression that I think this was a 3-battery aircraft, but with the way technology is now, I think if I put a 900 on this or maybe a 700 kV motor or even a 600 kV motor, it'll be enough to bring it up in the air with a good blade pitch. So this is going through recovering process and work on, and it's another plane that needs to be worked on. So I just thought I'd give you guys a little heads up. It is a biplane. I've got all the biplane parts for it, and I've just figured why not today start taking the old covering off, sanding it down, and getting it ready for a recover. So this is another project that'll be going on here on the channel. So make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button. And if you have any comments, leave it in the comment section below. I will, down in the description field, I'll make sure to put the link where you can find this particular aircraft on Outer Zone. And you can actually go to any type of office supply store or a print shop and ask them to print you up the pages for this aircraft so you can build it yourself. All right? Stay tuned. Talk to y'all later. Model Man Frank out. See y'all later.